up, guys?
Hey guys.
Guess what we have?
Today we have the Taco Bell Cherry Sunset Freeze.
Now, I'm instantly going to compare this to the Baja Blast because, you know.
Yes. Should I just go for it?
Just go. Just go. I don't know how I feel. It's orange, yellow, red. Looks like a sunset.
Not bad. It depends too if you like cherry. It's refreshing.
Yeah, definitely.
But I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'd prefer the Baja Blast.
I like it.
Yeah, he said.
I really do. I don't even like cherry for one. I hate cherry.
Yeah, usually I hate cherry. It's
like,
not bad though.
I hate cherry like everything. Like I don't even taste the cherry like that.
I do.
I don't.
What's the yellow part? I wonder what the yellow part is.
It's sunset, obviously. Whatever sunset's supposed to taste like. Like a citrus, maybe?
Oh, let me see. Let me try.
All right.
Cause come on, man.
All right. Yeah, let me try that. What's funny is that the lady in Taco Bell was struggling so hard to make this.
Like, this should have been out in 2 seconds.
She was really trying to make this, and she was struggling so hard.
This took like a whole minute.
Like, we were like,
just waiting.
It's just a waiting game for this whole day, I'm guessing.
This is good.
Really good.
Oh.
I
just like slushies, freezies.
I really like
Slurpees, whatever you call it.
Honestly, babe.
Do you like this one better than Baja?
Slightly, because something about it, the aftertaste is really good.
Probably just because it's like more of a tropical taste. A tropical...
Bahama Mama. That's what it That's what it reminds me of.
That's
the
funny.
Colors too. Add a little alcohol and boom. Bahama Mama. Taco Bell version.
That's hilarious.
We should make that. Nope. Because you said you don't like it that much.
I did not say it. I said...
You guys heard her.
Man, just give me the drink, okay?
Okay. Because I'm nice. Oh, roll them. Ooh, this is great. That was so good.
I would probably rate this an...
Hey, if you guys haven't tried, try the Popeyes chicken sandwiches. Preferably the spicy one. So good. And this makes it all better. Now, what would you rate this before you be disrespectful to the rating? Go ahead.
I was going to rate it an 8.
What did you rate the Baja?
I think a 10.
Okay. That wasn't too disrespectful. I'm proud of you. Because she hates cherry. And I hate cherry.
This is good.
It slowly gets to you, right? The more you drink, it's like you slowly went up from like a 6, a 7, an 8, 8.5.
I'm telling you, especially on like a hot day, you're just like...
I mean, being from San Diego, it's pretty hot outside today. You know, 77 degrees. I mean, but we got that beach weather, so that's literally like the ocean.
Like, once we walk out this car, we just gonna feel a breeze. It's gonna be great.
The ocean is like half a mile down the road, not too far.
Yes.
But anyways, I rated it a 9, maybe a 10. I like it. I really do. But seeing how I technically feel like I like it more than her, I'm gonna have to say 10.
Okay.
Just because the aspect. Anyways, I'm Alex.
I'm Steph.
This is What the Food.
What did I just do with my cheeks?
Exactly. What are you doing with your cheeks? You're making them do that little squirrel thing. Do it. She always said that.